On a sunny afternoon in a small town, Yusuf was sitting at home doing his homework, his energy bubbling like a fizzy drink. He was excited to play outside. After finishing his homework, he rushed to find his mother in the kitchen.
Mom, can I go outside to play with my friends?
His mother, a kind woman with a warm smile, looked at him and nodded.
Of course, Yusuf. But remember, when you hear the call for prayer, it's time to head to the mosque. You must never forget to pray.
Yusuf beamed.
I promise, Mom. I'll listen for the azan of prayer.
With a skip in his step, Yusuf dashed outside. The neighborhood was alive with the laughter of children playing soccer in the park. As he joined his friends, the game quickly became intense. They kicked the ball back and forth, each player trying their best to score a goal. Yusuf felt the joy of friendship and the thrill of the game. As they played, the sun began to dip lower in the sky. Suddenly, the melodious sound of the azan floated through the air.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Yusuf stopped running and looked up, realizing the time.
Guys, I have to go. It's time for Asr prayer.
His friends looked at him with disappointment.
No, Yusuf. We are just about to score. Can't you stay a little longer?
I understand, but we should pray 5 times a day. Plus, we can play more after. Why don't you all come with me to the masjid?
His friends exchanged glances, unsure at first. Then one of his friends said,
But we don't want to miss the game.
Yusuf explained to his friends,
It's just a short break. We can pray together, and then we'll have even more fun playing. Praying together makes it special.
Yusuf's friends still looking at each other what to reply. Yusuf explained to his friends,
What if some of us goes back to home and sees that his house is at fire and he has lost his home, property and family? What do you think how grieved he would be?
His condition will be terrible.
One of the boys replied. Yusuf narrated the hadith.
Our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Whoever misses the Asr prayer, it is as if he has lost his family and property.
Yusuf's friends were astonished to hear this hadith.
So do you think we should miss the prayer because of a game?
One by one, Yusuf's friends began to nod.
All right. Let's go to the masjid with you.
Together, the boys made their way to the local masjid, the sound of their footsteps echoing on the path. When they arrived, the masjid was welcoming, with its beautiful domes and inviting doors. Inside, the scent of fresh prayer mats filled the air, and the atmosphere was peaceful. Yusuf led his friends to the prayer area. They joined other community members, all standing in rows, ready to pray. Yusuf felt proud to be sharing this moment with his friends. After the prayer, they left the masjid feeling happy and fulfilled. They all agreed, knowing they had created a special memory together. And so, Yusuf learned that balancing play and prayer brought him closer not only to his faith, but also to his friends, creating moments that would last a lifetime. Now he was rushing home to tell his mom how good he felt when kids came to pray with him.